Stop! If you want to use Delta Executor on your PC without any complicated setup, this is currently one of the easiest methods available. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install and run Delta Executor on your computer, step by step. As you can see, Delta Executor is already running successfully, and I'll show you how to get the same setup on your PC. Before we begin, make sure to check the download links in the description below. You'll find everything you need there. First, let's verify that Delta Executor is working properly. Here it is running inside Roblox without any issues. Now let's move on to the installation process from the beginning. On my PC, I'm using an Android emulator to run Delta Executor. This allows you to use Delta directly from your computer. Open your Android emulator and make sure it is fully updated before continuing. For the best performance, open the emulator settings and increase the CPU and RAM allocation. I'm setting the performance mode to high to ensure smoother gameplay and better executor performance. Once your settings are configured, save the changes and restart the emulator if required. Now, open your browser inside the emulator. Go to the Delta Executor website using the link provided in the description below. Wait for the website to load completely before proceeding. Locate the download section and begin downloading the latest version of Delta Executor. Depending on your connection speed, the download may take a few moments. After the download finishes, install Delta Executor and wait for the setup process to complete. Once Delta has been installed successfully, open Roblox inside the emulator. Log into your Roblox account if necessary. After Roblox loads, launch Delta Executor. Allow Delta to finish loading and complete any required verification steps. If everything was done correctly, Delta Executor should now be fully operational. And that's it. Delta Executor is now installed and running on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.